Hi there. My name is David Traher, and I'm a CPA with over 35 years of experience in accounting and finance. I'm also a national best-selling author, having written 6 books on the subject of personal finance and investing. Let me ask you a question. Are you ever called upon to create and deliver presentations? Presentations have become the most important business communication tool of the current era. Companies are started, products are launched, and financing is secured based on the quality of presentations. But of the millions of presentations delivered every day, very few are done well. The root of the problem is simply that we accountants are rarely taught how to create great presentations. Sure, we're good with numbers, but we never learn about effective visual expression, which is not easy or natural. When a presentation is developed and delivered well, it is one of the most powerful communication tools in the world. All you have to do is watch Al Gore's movie An Inconvenient Truth on climate change, or a Steve Jobs keynote introduction of an Apple product to realize what an excellent presentation should look like. In this course, I'll show you the 7 secrets. You'll learn how to simplify your slides, use words wisely, how to use a color palette, the importance of using images, transitions, and video, how important it is to tell stories, as well as how to make great tables and excellent graphs. There's also some fun. I'll show you many examples of horrible presentations and how they could be drastically improved very easily. As a bonus, you'll receive both a Windows PowerPoint, a Mac Keynote template, as well as an Excel file including everything I'll demonstrate in the course, so you can be up and running with your next presentation lickety-split. So let's get started, shall we?